Hi, this is Annelie. I'm still trying out various crackle mediums. I'm going to try one with this Mont crackle paste that I recently found. And I read somewhere that if you put PVA glue underneath it, it makes more cracks. So what I did, I just divided this one. This I'm going to put the PVA glue and then let it dry. And then put the crackle. And this one I'm just going to put the crackle. For now I'm just going to put the PVA glue. The nearest I've got in the studio is it's this side. It's my cold glue, so I'm just going to use that. I haven't got a hardware store or anything, or even a craft store or something in my town, so I'm just going to put a layer of my PVA glue, or my cold glue, sorry, my wood glue. Let it dry and then put on my crackle paste and see what it does. I won't use this on my canvases for my paintings that I sell, but I will use this on my experiments and on my crafts and so on. If you start out painting, it's getting very expensive. So what I will do if I start again, I will start with this cheap stuff, and if it works for me, you can go to the more expensive stuff. I won't put this cold glue on my canvas that I want to sell. Okay, so this is just an experiment. Okay, it looks a little bit lumpy for me. I don't hope it's old because I bought it last weekend. But I'm gonna try put it on with this palette knife, because I want to have it in some places thicker than other places. So we will see what this does. I'm just gonna dry it naturally. I'm not gonna put it in the sun or heat it or anything. Okay, so that's it. Now I just need to let this dry, and then hopefully it will look like something. Okay, I thought I will put it somewhere that it can dry, but I can see I can see the area where I've put the PVA glue, or the cold glue that I used, is already starting to crack. I hope you can see. You can see this. So it's quicker than I thought. This side is still not anything happening here. I will wait a minute and then I'll show you again. Okay, it's been 5 minutes now. So what I will do, I will come back when this is totally dry and show you the result. Okay, this is dried overnight. I don't know why. Hope you can see it. This side cracked very nicely with a cold glue underneath, but I don't like it to do that because I'm scared it's going to come off with time. And I will only do this on maybe when I do crafts. This side didn't do anything, so what I'm going to do, it started there a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but I can barely see it with my. Oh goodness, I can barely see it there, but I'm gonna put the coat on again, and let's just hope. I'm gonna put a little bit thicker, I think. Oh, sorry, I bumped the camera. I'm gonna put a thicker coat, and then I'm just gonna let it dry again for a while, and then I'll see. As I said, this is a little bit spongy. I don't know if it must look like this. You can see there. But let's try it and see. And then the other thing, you can see it cracked. I've gone over the edge now, but you could see that it cracked where I stopped with the cold glue and where the other ones began. So let's hope it's going to do something. I'm really looking for something that I can use on my canvases that's flexible and everything. So I've already tried this one, you can remember. I'll show you in the end what happened, which one I like the best. Okay, this is dried. It's got very fine cracks. I don't know if it's the thickness what did this, or I will actually try this again. So remember, this is the PVA glue or the cold glue underneath. It might be cracks. This is nothing underneath, just the Mont. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my ink. Just drop it. I'm just going to put a little bit of my water with this. Came onto my finger now, so I just want this to go into all the cracks. I can see it doesn't want to grab the canvas or the board there where the cold glue is coming from, you know, through it. You can see those white patches. Is the board, but it's where the ink was. So I'm just going to drop a little bit more. I don't know, it didn't go into the cracks as I hoped, but I'll just let this dry and try again. What I decided to do is I'm going to drop in another one of these, and then I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to dry brush across the area and see if it maybe helps. Of course, I want the cracks inside to be a lot more darker, to show off more. Okay, let's dry this, and then we'll just dry brush over this again. Just for interest's sake, where I heated this piece here where the PVA glue is, or the cold glue, you can see it got white again where the cracks are. So I kind of like that. I'll just go over these areas that's darker with a lighter color and a dry brush over there as well, and then we'll see how it looks.